How to unsubscribe Netflix plan. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unsubscribe from your Netflix plan. Follow this step-by-step guide to unsubscribe from your Netflix plan. First of all, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are already signed into your account. Once you reach to this page, hover your cursor over the profile icon and there you will find account option. Click on this account option and then you will be taken to the account settings. Under account settings, you will find manage membership option. Click on this option and once you reach to this page, you scroll down and below you will find cancel membership option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Netflix will likely ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Here you will find two options, whether to finish cancellation or pause for 1 month. If you want to take a short break from Netflix, choose the one that best suits your need. After completing the cancellation process, Netflix will provide you a confirmation message or email to let you know that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Also, it's essential to double check any specific terms or conditions related to your subscription, such as whether there are any early termination fees or if you will receive a refund for any unused portion of your subscription. So in this way you can unsubscribe Netflix plan. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.